In this video, we're taking an honest look at GnuCash, a free and open-source accounting tool that offers solid bookkeeping features without subscription costs, and while it's great for budget-minded users, it's not the most modern solution. GnuCash provides true double-entry accounting, income and expense tracking, multi-currency support, scheduled transactions, and a range of financial reports, making it surprisingly capable for freelancers, hobby businesses, and individuals who want full control of their data. However, because it's desktop-based, there's no real cloud access or easy multi-device syncing, which limits flexibility. The interface feels dated, and beginners may find the accounting structure intimidating compared to simpler, more guided tools. It also lacks automation like bank feeds, payroll, integrations, and advanced inventory features, meaning growing businesses may eventually outgrow it. Overall, GnuCash is a strong, no-cost option for basic bookkeeping, provided you're comfortable with manual workflows. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.